Hi friends, it's Miss Mandy, and today is story time in the forest. For our book this week, we're doing Mushrooms in the Rain, which is perfect because it is raining currently, and we're in one of our classrooms. We're at Lickman today, and I have a very special surprise after the book. So this one book is called Mushroom in the Rain by Miria Ginsberg, and my very good friend Mrs. Knelson gave me this book. One day, an ant was caught in the rain. Where can I hide? He wondered. Look how small. Ants don't like the rain. He saw a tiny mushroom peeking out of the ground in a clearing. We hid under it. He sat there waiting for the rain to stop, but the rain came down harder and harder. So you can see he found the mushroom. Now he's going to hide under it. A wet butterfly crawled up to the mushroom. Cousin Ant, let me in from the rain. I am so wet I cannot fly. How can I let you in? Said the ant. There is hardly any room for one. But it doesn't matter, said the butterfly. Better crowded than wet. The ant moved over and made room for the butterfly. The rain came down harder and harder. The mouse ran up. Let me in under the mushroom. I'm drenched to the bone. How can we let you in? There's no more room here. Just move a little closer. They huddled closer and let Mouse in, and the rain came down, down, and wouldn't stop. Has it ever rained so hard when you've been playing outside where the rain doesn't stop? Let's find out. A little sparrow hopped up onto the mushroom and cried, My feathers are dripping. My wings are so tired. Let me in under the mushroom to dry out and rest until the rain stops. But here, there is no more room. Please move over just a little. They moved over, and there was just enough room for Sparrow. So you see? Wow. Then a rabbit hopped into the clearing and saw the mushroom. Oh, hide me, he cried. Save me. A fox is chasing me. Poor rabbit, said the ant. Let's crowd ourselves a little more and take him in. That was very kind of his friends to be so kind to him. As soon as they hid the rabbit, a fox came running. Uh-oh. Have you seen the rabbit? Which way did he go? He asked. We have not seen him. The fox came nearer and sniffed. There's a rabbit smell around here, and isn't he hiding here? You silly fox, how could a rabbit get in here? Don't you see there isn't any more room? The fox turned up his nose, flicked his tail, and ran off. By then, the rain was over. The sun came looking out from behind the clouds, and everyone came from under the mushroom, bright and merry. Oh, there's a rainbow. That's what happens when it's sunny and rainy. The ants looked at his neighbor. How could it be? At first, I had hardly any room enough under the mushroom just for myself, and in the end, all 5 of us were able to sit under it. See, now look at that. The sun's come out, all the flowers are out. Wow. Everybody looks happy. Ha ha ha! Someone laughed loudly behind them. As they turned, a big, fat, green frog sat on top of the mushroom, shaking his head at them. Ah, 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 said the frog. Don't you know what happens to a mushroom in the rain? And he hopped away, still laughing. Do you know what happens to the mushroom in the rain? Let's find out. The ant, the butterfly, the mouse, the sparrow, the rabbit looked at one another, then at the mushroom, and suddenly they knew why there was enough room under the mushroom for all. Why do you think this happened? Do you know? Can you guess what happened to the mushroom when it rains? Boys and girls, do you have a guess? Let's find out. It grows. It got bigger, so all the friends could fit under the mushroom. Now, for my very special surprise, I'm going to grab it behind the tree here. We found something very, very special. So this is a turkey tail mushroom growing on a dead log. If I flip it over here, you can see the gills, the spore part of the mushroom. And then here, I'll flip it over here. And there's the bigger part there. And why do you think they call it a turkey tail? This one's quite old, so it's kind of hard to see. But they call it a turkey tail because it fans out like a turkey. So isn't that funny? Today, not only is it raining, but we found a mushroom in the rain. Thank you very much, boys and girls, for joining me today. I hope you tune in next week for another book. And till then, bye.